yellow missile tracker line, or MTL, looks fairly innocent on the charts. However, the mathematics and science behind this powerful indicator is extremely sophisticated. From a purely scientific point of view, the MTL is the output of a Kalman filter and, believe it or not, is derived from military technology and used in target tracking and missile guidance. The basic premise of this technology is that if you want to hit a moving target, you will need to aim at a point in space and time where the target, in this case price action, is most likely to go. In other words, if you aim a missile directly at a fighter jet and pull the trigger, by the time the missile arrives at the location of the jet, it will no longer be there. The MTL is far superior to any moving average as it adapts to both volatility and signal to noise ratio. That's all very well and good, but the question, of course, is does this indicator work, and if so, how can we leverage it in our trading routine? The answer to the first question is a resounding yes. The MTL works beautifully, and at FoxEx we use the indicator in the following simple way. When price is above the MTL, the trend is considered to be up, as seen here on the Euro USD. And when price is below the line, the trend is considered to be down, as you can see here in this example of the Swissy on the daily charts. So, summing up, traders should be aware that the safer and more consistent trades will always be those taken in the same direction as the trend. Scalpers who wish to take aggressive counter-trend scalps can do so, but of course must know what they are doing within the context of the various time frames. More on that in our video on price action entries. For now, the simple rule of thumb is this: if price is above the yellow line, look for long entries, and if price is below the yellow line, look for short entries. It really is as simple as that. In the meantime, it's well worth looking back through the charts to see how price has responded to the missile tracker line in the past. In many cases, you will notice that price responds aggressively when it interacts with the missile tracker line. Some traders may simply want to stalk the markets and wait for a breakout and a retracement to the MTL before placing a trade. Our price action entries will often identify these setups and send them to you via our push notification service. More on that in the video on price action entries. For now, take a closer look at the MTI. You may well find that you would like to use it as the primary indicator in your trading routine. Alternatively, you may want to use it in conjunction with a moving average, which you can do by selecting the moving average of your choice from the drop-down menu shown here. This has been an overview of the missile tracker line from FoxEx.